Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Repairs at Ride the Wind Ebikes.
Yes, we always have. Since 2017, we have always been a full service store. You guys all know Darren. So we service obviously our own bikes. But when it comes to servicing other brands of bikes, that can become challenging, and we won't promise. Oh, Darren's not here. We won't promise you anything. We'll ask a few questions, but if you have a repair that you need, please call. We'll work through if it's another brand. But yeah, here's Darren's shop back here. And yeah, we've always been full service, and I think that's really important when you're choosing an e-bike dealer, that number one, they do service, but number two, they have a technician that has experience, because there's no school, there's no certification of learning e-bikes. No, this is about repairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so you can have a store that says that they have service and repairs, but it's really great to go to a place that has a reputation and a very exceptional, knowledgeable technician. Darren's our golden egg. Yes.
Availability of parts pretty much dictates.
Yeah, whether we can do it or not. But that's why I said just call us or email us. And we also have pickup and delivery as well. So even more awesome.